Last night, right before I was about to go to sleep, right before I was gonna close the laptop, we hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel. I wanted to make this video for a few reasons, which I'll get into in a minute, but first, I just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you who hit that subscribe button over the years. It's a really weird feeling to think that 10,000 people have gotten so much value from me that they actually want to click subscribe, follow my journey, follow my life, and essentially care about me. It's really crazy and it's mind-blowing, and I'm kind of lost for words. I don't know how to explain it other than just saying thank you. I feel like it's just the beginning for this channel, even though I've been literally posting to this platform for 10 years on and off. So to my OGs that are watching this right now, thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button and sticking around. And I hope you stick around for the future. There's so much to come and I'm so excited. So first, I wanted to make this video to share with you the things and the strategies that I have done to gain 10,000 subscribers in case you want to start or grow a YouTube channel in 2021 and beyond. Second, I simply wanted to make this video for my future self, to be able to look back at this moment. Who knows where we'll be, so I kind of wanted to make this just for myself. And third, I wanted to use this video as an opportunity to share a little bit of my story and a little more of my background with you. Sound good? First, if you're gonna start a channel, make sure it's truly about something you deeply enjoy. Like truly, because honestly, YouTube has been the hardest and the most time-consuming thing I've ever done. I've started multiple businesses that make over 6 figures in revenue, and I'm telling you right now, to get 10,000 subscribers on YouTube was way harder. And I'm not telling you that to make you feel discouraged. I'm telling you that because I've learned the mistake before. I've actually started other channels that I wasn't as passionate about, and they never last. YouTube is difficult. It's gonna take a ton of time, so you might as well choose a topic that you actually love. If you don't, there's probably a 99.9% chance at some point you're gonna burn out, and along the way, people are gonna be able to kind of sense that and they're not gonna watch your videos. Second, create searchable content and then make that content precise, especially in the beginning. YouTube is one of the world's largest search engines. It's literally owned by Google. So when someone types into Google, what drone should I buy? What is a good beginner camera? The first thing that's gonna pop up is a set of YouTube videos. A lot of people, and myself included, want to start out on YouTube by making vlogs, simply by just sort of documenting your life without a script. While that might sound fine and dandy in your mind, people don't have time for that, straight up. In 2021, we are being fed so much information and people want what they're looking for and they want it fast. When you answer specific questions that people are looking for, and you don't ramble, you get to the point and you make that content concise, YouTube's algorithm picks those videos up and recommends them to the masses, which in turn will get you lots and lots of subscribers. I could talk about just this topic for a long time, but in this video, maybe I'll make another video about it. I wanna leave you with one tool that greatly helps with that. It's called TubeBuddy, T-U-B-E, Buddy. It's a Chrome extension and it plugs into YouTube. And essentially, it will rank what you think you're gonna title your video, and it'll show you how many people are searching for that topic and how relevant it is and how well your video is gonna perform overall before you even post it. And the third thing that's helped me hit 10,000 subscribers, and you've probably heard it a bunch, you've probably heard a lot of other YouTubers tell you this, but it's so true. In fact, I probably should have made this the #1 tip, but that is to be consistent. Be consistent. I started and stopped my channel so many times, and I have videos from 1 or 2 years ago that in the first couple months didn't rank very well. They didn't get that many views, so they discouraged me, so I stopped posting videos, and now they're getting views every day and they're just ranking like crazy, and I'm kicking myself because I wish I would have posted at least one video every single week instead of one video here, one video there, once a month, once every other month, and then like 3 in 1 week. Just be consistent. I can see on my channel when I post one video a week consecutively for at least a month straight, the growth on my channel just skyrockets and it's so much more consistent. So if you want to grow a YouTube channel in 2021, commit to it, make it about something you're truly passionate about, and post consistently. I would recommend at least once a week. Lastly, I want to end this video by sharing a little bit of my story with you in hopes that it inspires you and motivates you to keep posting on this platform. You can do it, you can make it happen. So I've been posting to YouTube for over 10 years. I probably could have expedited my success and gotten to 10,000 subscribers way quicker if I just followed what I'm telling you right now. It started by just posting dumb skits with my friends, really videos about whatever, and then over the years it's refined, and as I've refined my skills into teaching filmmaking, sharing my adventures with the world, and just helping fellow creators. I wish I just documented my journey a little more with these 3 tips in mind that I just gave you. I really, really do wish I did that. But I truly appreciate the 10,000 subscribers I have now. Back when I was posting dumb skits to YouTube over 10 years ago, I still don't think I would have ever been to the point that I'm at now with 10,000 of you watching my content. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're inspired. Turn this video off now and go post a video this week. If you're new here, consider subscribing so that you can be here for the rest of the journey moving forward. I'm very motivated to keep posting. I have tons of great ideas, and I hope to keep bringing this community value and growing this community. See you in the next one. Peace.